So what is up, everyone? Today is Tuesday, April 28th. I'll be trading Nasdaq like I always do. So coming into the session, low key, I'm actually kind of bearish. I haven't said this in forever. I'm only bearish until we take out. See, like I have this low. I mean, I'll go to the higher time frames. Like on the daily, I know it doesn't look that significant what I'm targeting right here. I mean, besides, honestly, on the daily, it's basically like a wickless daily candle, honestly. Is that actually a wickless daily candle? I actually didn't even realize. So I'm even a little more bearish. But and we're displacing toward it. I mean, honestly, once we take that out, I think we're gonna be bullish. What's up, Roy? How are you? But like it looks a little more prominent like on the hourly. See, like we opened up. I guess this was the difference between what Thursday's close into Friday, I guess. There's like this gap, and it really hasn't been traded into like whatsoever. So I feel like we're trending toward that. But honestly, once we tap into that, I'm probably looking for longs. He said, "I'm good, big dog, ready to follow you for a good trade and learn some." Hey, that's what's up, bro. And honestly, I mean, even if we do, like, even if we do take out, like, and we start reacting off that, I guess longs would be higher rated because we are at all-time highs, right? Like, oh, yo, I'm telling you, dude, these these bots, I actually think I have bots on Discord actually targeting me. I only say that because I think on stream the other day I was saying how sometimes they like they'll join and immediately um what do you call it? Oh, they'll like immediately just spam like this like join my WhatsApp group. But they always join when I'm on stream essentially because they know I'm not there to moderate it. Oh, as you probably see them, you said the bots are insane. Well, I'm assuming they're probably hoping that there's gonna be one guy out there that's gonna respond to them and they're gonna be able to steal some money. Because I never used to understand why scammers send so much money trying to scam until like I thought about how yeah, honestly that's facts. Because even now, like you can get access to ChatGPT for free, but like in a third world country, I feel like if you can steal $20 from a U.S. person, it's a lot of money over there. But for my bias, right now I'm honestly temporarily bearish. Um, I feel like I can show on the best. Like on the hourly, you see how coming from Thursday into Friday, we left this gap on the chart. I feel like it's more obvious. Like if you go to the 1 minute chart, where is it? Oh, here it is. My chart looks funny. Sorry. So on the 1 minute chart, you can see this is Thursday's close, the open of Friday. We haven't filled in this gap at all, which also means on the daily chart on NQ, there's I scroll so far. There's a daily candle that basically has no bottom wick. I actually think it has no bottom wick at all. So I feel like now that we're displacing toward that, I honestly think we're gonna sweep out that low. I mean, we're trending inside this bearish hourly gap. You said saying I'm slightly bearish. I mean, yeah, but honestly, as soon as we tap into that gap, I'm probably looking for, just waiting for a reaction out of it, honestly. Because, like, we're at all-time highs. Like, I'm not even the biggest fan of shorting. I mean, I'm probably, like, if I get a good setup, I'll take a short. But, like, I'm low-key a little hesitant to take shorts at all-time highs. But I low-key think I might have fixed the Discord so these bots won't be able to do that anymore. Because they keep sending the exact same message. Like, I'll ban one account and they join from a different account and they'll send a message, like, while I'm on live stream. But, I set certain keywords they can't say. So I took a screenshot of the message they send. And I was like, So you can't say WhatsApp in the Discord anymore. Like, the WhatsApp link. Yeah, you can't send links to other Discord in the Discord. And I have an auto mod for that. Like, you guys know Carlbot. What was this 820 news? Well, I probably said it funny. WhatsApp. What's up, Vizid? You said, what do they say to. Yo, who, who is saying that? I haven't heard that in so long. So it's going to be interesting to see if NQ wants to dump from here. I wouldn't be surprised if NQ dumps from here. Or maybe SMT is the highs. High, I should say. So did you see the London trade? I think, yeah, it was. I meant to react to that. I'm slow, but oh yeah, yeah. You took what two cons on what like 4 o'clock. Honestly, dude, that was a great V shape, and that the close on that candle was fucking beautiful. Like, there's really no wick to the top side where you entered. I'd say that really is a good trade. And there's LR above. He said, I'm telling you, honestly, it was a pretty good trade. It low key reminds me of, remember yesterday, all the LR we built up during the AM session? It just, I feel like we like actually delivered through all the LR like too late in the day. Like, why didn't we do that during AM session? So, definitely want to see if this SMT wants to hold. I feel like if this SMT is gonna hold, I can be bearish. Said low key nothing biased. Yeah, cause I'm looking at this like it's basically like I think you heard me saying before. Like this daily candle from Friday has like almost no bottom wick. You said with 902 and 930. I mean, they're kind of equal lows, but the only thing is they're not like really equal lows in my mind cuz like this one swept out the other one. I feel like if it almost swept out the low, I'd call it equal lows. But I feel like these aren't as rated cuz like technically this one swept the other one if that makes sense. I know, like for example, on MNQ it might look a little different, but I always do my charting on NQ. You said I was expecting a reaction out of the daily gap during London, but nothing happened. Yeah, honestly, I'm all for it. I love pullbacks at all time highs. I feel like it makes it easier to trade all time highs. What's up, NQ? How are you, bro? I saw you said the Discord. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. You said extremely good. You're doing extremely good. What's up, Callum? How are you, bro? Oh, there's no SMT at this high anymore. You said bro's name is not. He and actually, I was actually calling him Enrique at first, and he was like, "Tim, I'm not Mexican. Stop calling me Enrique. It's NQ." And I was like, "Oh yeah, you're right." I was like, "It's missing letters." You said I'm doing terrible. Last 3 weeks all gone because I crashed out one day. Damn, you said it was. I thought you 5.8. I guess were you up for the day? But sorry to hear that, bro. I mean, have you ever um have you ever considered using like you can like lock yourself out after a certain amount? Like you can have your account like physically like even on Tradeify, like there's like a manual lockout after you lose X amount. Definitely sucks though. I mean, Said Nats won. I mean, sorry to hear that, bro. I mean, at least you have the skill, though. You know what I mean? Like, that calendar, right? Like, if you think about it, right? You said I did that. You can remove the date. Oh, I didn't even know that, honestly. But I mean, like, if you think about it, though, you already have all the skills, right? Like, you have so many green days there. Oh, yeah, Lucid is having issues. They said they're working on it. I'm in their Discord. I saw they said that. But I mean, like, you have all the skills, right? Like, you can have so many green days. You can prove to yourself you have the ability to run up an account that high. Like, all you got to do is just, like extra, like, no, respectfully, like, exercise some discipline. You know what I mean? Like, just, like, not crash out any days. Like, walk away when you're supposed to. And, like, honestly, like, that's easier than learning how to trade. Like, and identifying the problem's half the issue. You know what I mean? He said, I do, bro. Last two payouts lost in a casino because I'm addicted to gambling. Now the account, I got nothing. I'm sorry to hear that. I mean, honestly, as a trader, though, I feel like you really should be, like, actually gambling. I feel like we already fuck with our money enough, if you know what I mean. I feel like there's no point to, like, play, like, give your money to probabilities more. And even if you want, like, gamble with small amounts of money, we said Trump, yeah, said U.S. should open. You said, bro, can you see that this might be useful news for us? Yeah, my bad. I don't know. But said Trump says, I'm gonna Google this real quick because honestly, if it's bullish for the market might not give a fuck about this gap below if there's news coming out. Appreciate you, by the way, Vized. U.S. appears cool on Iran proposal. Stuck in limbo as Trump mulls. UN calls for Hormuz to reopen 7 minutes ago. Bro said paper trading for me today. Oh, you said Truth Social for the win? Yeah, dude, honestly, do I even have it installed? Yeah, I do have it installed. I just never check it. Let me be late to the party. You have to sign in or create an account. Oh, I think I downloaded it and you had to create an account or sign in, and I said, fuck this, I think. Oh, you said my gamble started small with $100, but I'm addicted. So I ended up losing my whole bank account. I mean, like I said before, though, at least, like, don't get me wrong, you're definitely against it. And, like, I feel like this should be evidence why you shouldn't, like, gamble. You know what I mean? And this is why you should listen. Like, when you say I take 2 trades a day and stop. But, you have income coming in from YouTube. Like you really are in, like, a position where if you fuck up, you have the ability to fuck up. That, like, I'm not, if that makes sense. Like, and honestly, I really do think, like, to be point blank 100% honest, I really do think if you could, like, put your, yeah, honestly, I'm pretty bullish. But if you could put your one, like, if you could just put your, this is not English, I'm sorry. If you could just stay disciplined and not crash out. Oh, yo, what's up, Anthony? How are you? Oh, you said I stopped working the YouTube, like, didn't do anything for 2 months. I got, like, set. I mean, I guess I get that, but you could continue on the YouTube and make more money from that. But all I was trying to say before is, though, is I feel like if you can eliminate the days where, like, if you stop after 2 trades and you don't crash out, like, you could be up heavy because there's so many green days there, if you know what I mean. Bro said just schedule the sentence for the next business day. You said good yourself. Honestly, I'm chilling. You know, overall, I'm low key kind of happy I don't stream on TikTok anymore at night. I feel like it's low key. I don't know. I feel like it slowly let it, like, allowing me to, like, not rest, if that makes sense. I was accumulating sleep debt. I feel well rested. And yo, TikTok chat low key gets to you after time. Said TikTok is that bad. I don't know. I feel like it's low key tiring though. Yo, what? Okay, my AirPods have got to stop listening to me. They're like, who? I'm like, I'm not talking to you. But Dude, imagine like pulling up on stream and then every 5 minutes someone in chat's like, yo, are you in a position? Yo, can you let me know when you buy or sell? Yo, what's your TP? Yo, what's your stop loss? Like, guys, I'm not in a position. Oh, but what's your TP though? Like, I'm literally not in a trade. What do you mean, what is my TP? And then like, and then, yo, can you give me a funded account, dude? Yo, can you give me $10, dude? What what else? I'm trying to think. Bro said don't use AirPods. Yeah, actually, when I first started streaming, I have wired headphones I used to use all the time. I'm low key just lazy. I probably should use my AirPods at the gym maybe because of convenience, and then at the house use the wired ones. But you said yeah, too much time in the chart also screws you up. Yeah, honestly, because and honestly, I feel like Asia low key lately has been kind of choppy, and I was like, I'm spending like 3 hours a night, and like Roy said, like it's a lot of effort, like because I work a part time job, I stream New York AM session, I stream Asia. I was doing the math. I was streaming 20 hours a week, and then I work 22 hours a week at my job, so like it's 40 hours a week right there, plus like just living as a person, if you know what I mean. Um, it's just a lot. Like, cause I make videos on the side. Like, I make short form videos. I make long form videos. You said burnout's real, Tim. Honestly, it is. Cause I was thinking about it, and I was like, I don't think I can keep up this pace, and I don't even think it's worth it. Like, honestly, the main thing that made me switch was I thought about it, and I was like, if we think in terms of dollars per hour, like I've probably streamed on TikTok for 10 hours a week. I'm not even the biggest fan of it, and like I don't know, cause like in terms of TikTok gifts, let's say I make like $5 a week, so basically nothing. I probably was getting like let's say between 1 and 5 affiliate sales, netting me between like let's say $20 and $100 a week. So like it's like even on the good case, it's like 10 hours, like $10 an hour. And I was low key getting cooked trading Asia though, if that makes sense. But he said I told myself I wouldn't lose the discount. I swear, I lost it. I was in school. My mate was looking at my laptop watching me trade. I hate people. I mean, damn. I mean, you should. I mean, Tradeivate. I know this might sound funny. I know TopStep might not be the best prop firm, but at least on TopStep, when you lock yourself out, like you are not getting back in that account. Like like honestly, like you should try to check out a firm that where you can like 110% lock yourself out after two trades. You said like, bro, like he was watching my laptop. I was about to punch. Yeah, people be nosy, honestly. I be nosy sometimes too. I'm waiting for a pullback into like a 5 or a 15 minute gap. I low key could have taken longs around here. I feel like that's low key forcing it. So just think about retiring your mom, bro. Honestly, that's facts. Like, and the psychology behind that is it's harder to disappoint someone that's not yourself. Like, if you think, oh, I want these payouts for myself, it's easy to like fuck up. But then like it feels worse when it's like I fucked up money that I was gonna give to my mom. Like my mom is now gonna work her job for longer because of me. Like if you frame things like that, I feel like it forces you to like mentally like become more of a like step up. Like I don't know. Like I'm not trying to be rude and say like become a man, but like or like I don't know. You said I recently came to the realization I should only trade Tuesday to Thursday. Honestly, I will agree. There's definitely some truth to that cipher. I've heard, especially no news Mondays or low key ass, and then Fridays as well. I feel like I really do agree. Tuesday to Thursday are the best days. Damn. I mean, I know there's some like orders on Bookmap down here. I'm just not trying to take a long like that. Like, there's gonna be an unfilled 5 minute gap opening up like right now. I'd prefer if we could come into the 5 minute gap and then take longs out of there. Because at this point, I know I said I was originally bearish. There's not a bearish bone in my body at this point anymore. Like we're V-shaping right back up. I'm probably looking for longs unless we start getting serious displacement down, like and hold this SMT maybe. I don't know. Bro said, "What if I buy 5 accounts and pass all them RN? Maybe three." Bro said, "Do I go back to good old times?" I don't know if full port not full. I don't know if trading 5 accounts at once without getting a payout is good old times. No offense. Maybe you could do a middle ground. You could do 3 accounts. You said when you're doing bad in the charts, at least for me, taking the money into account, realizing you made it. Honestly, that's facts too. I feel like when you put, and one time, I know this might sound corny, but if you put it into perspective, like go to the bank and withdraw, like if you make $1,000 in a day, go to the bank, withdraw that $1,000 and feel that money in your hand. Like thinking, damn, I clicked some buttons on my keyboard and I made $1,000 today. Like I feel like it hits different. Oh, but what advice? You said it's crazy. I'm doing this for a woman I want to marry. I'd say it's crazy if it's one specific woman, but I feel like if you're thinking how you want to treat your future wife good, I respect that. But honestly, in my experience with women, I know this might sound cynical, and I might have been poisoned by these women, but I actually wonder if I'm ever gonna trust that a woman's like never gonna stab me in the back, if that makes sense. Like, cause I feel like yeah, you both said don't do this for just one woman. Like, it's cool to have one woman have your eyes on. But honestly, dude, I'm going to use risk management in terms of my woman selection, which I know sounds crazy to say. But like, dude, I've had multiple girls who I've thought in my head, like, they've been like, oh yeah, dude, you can't leave me. I'll be here always and forever. You gotta promise me you're never going to leave me. And it's like, and they leave me. You know what I mean? I don't know. And like, people change, dude. Like, I know, like, think about it though. Like, compare yourself to how you were 5 years ago. Like, if both of you guys are going to change, even if you say I'll stay the same, like, that woman could change. And did you know, I'm really not trying to make you guys lose faith in the average American marriage, but, like, did you know what percentage of divorces are initiated by women compared to men? I don't want to give you guys false statistics. I don't know why ChatGPT is going to give me better statistics, but, what percentage of U.S. divorces are initiated by women? Look up a recent statistic.
Based on recent data, about 69 to 70% of divorces in the U.S. are initiated by women. Some sources have shown figures ranging from around 66 to 75%, but a good estimate today.
Well, a good estimate 70%. Which actually isn't. I saw something online where they were claiming 70 to 80. But bro said 67%. Oh, you said I sent to your DMs in the trade, then it could have saved my. Bro said not the gender war, bro. But wait, I actually. Bro said let's just trade. I was actually. Well, now that we tapped in that 5 minute, I am low key interested. There is Orange Folder news at 10 a.m. Respectfully, fuck Orange Folder. Honestly, I mean, if we start offering a clean, I want us to come a little lower down, a little bit lower down, and then I want to start looking for longs. But NQ, I'll look at what you sent at me in a minute. You said, "Oh, I can't trade," or so I am under the impression that you can. Before I give you any information, I'm gonna pull up their website. Hello. alphafutures.com. Hello. Help Center, FAQ, news trading policy. Standard. So you may hold. It says after high impact news here at Alpha Futures, we refer to the calendar on Forex Factory. Any with a red folder are considered. So orange folder does not apply, and they judge by Forex Factory. I just wanted to, I was pretty sure that was true, but I really don't want to cause you problems. You know what I mean? No, you can trade. It just you can't do red. You can do orange at Alpha. And that's even unfunded. On the evaluation, on the zero account, you can trade news on the evaluation. I full port CPI in zero accounts and they pass me. Yeah, Lucid has been down. I saw they tagged me in the Discord and said something about it. Lucid actually denied me as an affiliate for the second time last night. I actually reapplied as an affiliate. I don't know why. I thought if I reordered the list of my social media links, like I put my TikTok up top that I have like 27,000 followers up there. And then yeah, they still denied me. I mean, it's whatever. I'll survive. Dude, fuck TradeSyncer. You said low key never using TradeSyncer again. Worst thing ever. It never caught. Dude, fuck TradeSyncer. You said wow 27. Yeah, appreciate that, Roy. I mean, honestly, I've had low key like a good amount of followers on TikTok, and I feel like 27 sounds like a lot. I feel like it'd be easy to get followers on TikTok. I don't know. I've been posting on TikTok for like 3 years. In all seriousness, though, fuck TradeSyncer. Bro said the trade evade of sinkers. That's mad funny. You said TradeSyncer. Yeah, dude, and I'm in their Discord. All they do is they tag me and they're like, guys, Alpha Futures is running a sale. Use our code SYNC. Like, are you guys a TradeSyncer or are you an affiliate for a prop firm? You know what I mean, though? And you go to their website and there's all these ads. It's like, why are you guys so hard of an affiliate? You know what I mean, though? You know, speaking of the charts real quick, we almost inverted this 5-minute. We didn't invert the 5-minute. There's an S&T at the high. I mean, we're giving displacement down. You know, if I traded inversions, I wonder if we inverted that in NQ. Now we closed right at it. I wonder if some people took that inversion anyway. Yeah, facts. They said they'd mention a deal like every other day. I'm not too sure. Oh, but you said, yo, Tim, do you check? Honestly, I did. Honestly, out of all the things that have been suggested to me out of like a TikTok or a YouTube chat, honestly, that's impressed me the most, to be completely honest. What was it? Pan over. Oh, wait, if we're going to wick back. Okay, wait. If this 5-minute gap's going to hold. Okay, I'm on the correct leader. 23. Position size calculator, 50K. Let's say my stop's 40 points, 6 contracts. Honestly, yeah, if we have a strong close here, I'm probably going to try longs. I mean, we're probably going to hold this 5-minute gap if we start delivering up like this. Because we still have, like, I don't know. I feel like we're just... What are we delivering off bookmap? I mean, we're delivering off some ores on bookmap. There's more... Yeah, I'm probably going to try this if we close really strong. I mean, I gotta... How strong is this close? Okay, that's strong enough. Bro said, see if there's a 67-minute gap. You're right. So I'm pretty much just taking this. I mean, there's some ores on bookmap. I mean, I feel like we retested this like CISD down here. Kind of. I don't look at that too often, but for targets, I mean, there is a bunch of LR. I should probably partial. I'll partial 50%. This is like a little, yeah. I'll partial 50%. These highs. And I'll also go break even up there. I guess I'm trying to think, where should I hold a runner for? Because low key, I could definitely see us running. I mean, there's an unfilled 4-hour gap up here. Why do I have so many drawings up here? This thing's delivering. That's a good 1-minute follow through. We do have news. It's orange folder news, but regardless, it is still news coming up. You said I think London High is a good DOL. Honestly, yeah, it's not. Probably not. London High. Not a bad DOL, honestly. I just want to pay attention to how we hold through news. There's a good chance news could rocket us either way right now. It's only orange folder. Let's see. It's gonna be awkward moving stops to break even if we like shoot up and then shoot right back down. Nah, Orange Fuller did shit. They said, bro, New York AM is like 3 p.m. Yeah, actually, I don't know if you guys know what's his name, Kimmel Trading. I think his name's Kimmel or whatever he goes by, but like Kimmel, he made some video. He was like ranking a tier list, and it was countries to trade in for New York AM session, like based on their time zone, if you know what I mean. And he was just like saying, and some of them, like I think New Zealand, like New York AM is like the middle of the night for them. And that's not bad. So what? 10 a.m. maybe came down a little bit. So at least we have a wick on the 10 a.m. candle, a small one. It's not like it delivered to anything, but yeah, honestly, I will. I'm probably gonna take the rest off it. What type of RR is that? Um, that's like the furthest RR I feel ever feel comfortable going for. I feel like I'd probably just trail stops aggressively the whole way too. I feel like if this trade is gonna go against me though, I feel like the main reason would be like 10 a.m. wants to manipulate down first before we go up. If that makes sense. Oh, you said I gotta go, Tim. Good luck in the trade. I'll be able to. Yeah, see ya. Have a good day, bro. It's a damn YM is dumping. I don't really like it YM too much. I also don't like. I mean, the previous hourly candle did low key leave a little bit of a wick. We're kind of holding this hourly gap. You said, "Woo man, I got into that trade right at 656 off a fib level." Oh, so you probably got in a little earlier than me. Oh, you said that's cool. You liked Pandavix though, bro. That'd be cool if you used it on a stream. I mean, after stream, I'll probably look into it more. I thought I put it in a different tab. Oh, I started to type in a different tab and got distracted. I think it's cool how it's like start free. You know what I mean? It says 205 plus traders join. Damn, I could be one of the 205 traders using that platform. That's kind of cool, actually. Dude, if I bet that company's so small, if I message them and ask them to be an affiliate, they'd be like, please. Unlike Lucid. I will survive. I'm just messing around. Bro said, I'm gonna. My fish? You have a fish? And also, how's that gonna work? Did I miss any other comments while I was locked in? So I think London High 2 True Day Open. Yeah. True Day Open too, probably. I don't think I missed anything important. Oh, someone asked me if I was using TradeC. I'm using Tradeivate. Like I use TradingView and I log into Tradeivate through there. I've used TradeC in the past, but I don't know. I'm just comfortable using this, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm always weary of newer platforms too. And it was probably Asia Session Gold giving me like bad fills, but I was wondering, I was like, maybe this platform has worse fills. You said, does my message get blocked on YouTube? I mean, I don't know if it's blocking your message. It depends what you're trying to say. I saw the one you said, no, I'm going to buy it for $10 and return it. Vice is like, how's bro in a trade? I mean, well, we were holding that. We were coming back to hold that 5 minute. Like, you know how we had this huge wick down here? So we kind of came into the trade into like this, like kind of, it's like a CISD, I guess. Like down here. I didn't really look at CISDs too much, but I feel like we were like retesting that. We were waking up to like start holding the 5 minute gap. And then I just kind of followed a strong candle close and there were some orders on Bookmap. And I just feel like I'm following the higher time frame trend. I wonder if my stop is 42. How am I in for the correct amount of cons? Yeah, 5. Whatever. Maybe I should have been for 6, but bro said the weather's good New York, go longs. Bro remembers the weather model. You said, man, that Tradeivate native chart is ass. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, do not log into trader.tradeivate.com and trade directly from there. I mean, unless you got to use the group trader that's included. Even then, like, don't even use a group trader. Bro said OGs remember the weather model. Yeah, dude. And I remember the dude who like showed me the weather model. He was low key kind of weird. Like, I remember like we'd go back and forth about the weather model trades we took. And then like he'd be like, dude, how could you possibly see longs? He'd be like, the atmospheric pressure. And I'd be like, dude, I live in New York. Like it's sunny outside. Like I'll send you a picture of my window. And he's like, yeah, dude, but the moon phase. I'm like, what? And he's like, you need other confluences. I'm like, this is the weather model. Like, what are we talking about right now? You said I tried it for 7 seconds. And I was like, fuck it. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I lost some money trading the weather model, and I was like, maybe I shouldn't like. Maybe I should just stick to trading and not do the fucking weather model. And on top of that, I made a YouTube video about the weather model, and it literally got like, I think at this moment in time right now, it has like 97 views. Like, I spent some time editing that video. Oh, but what you said, haha, wow. I found some Pano because my first mentor, he created it about a year ago. You said you think everything has been back tested. A first candle if you short 1 to 1. I mean, I'm sure everything's been. I've actually seen some people using like AI things to backtest stuff. Like, I don't know if you guys have heard. It's called like Profit a Bull, like Profit a BUL. If you guys like, shout out Baron Trades. If you guys know Baron Trades, dude, Baron Trades is the fucking goat, by the way. Like, I'll glaze. You know, he's another person I'll glaze besides PB, but he's more of like an order flow guy. But oh yeah, but he uses profitable. Well, he'll be like, oh, well, if we're trading below London on a Friday, or like, this is a really bad example, but he'll be like, if we're trading below London session on a Friday, like, what's the percentage chance that by the end of the day, like, what's the percent we close bearish or whatever? Like, he'll use all these statistics. You know what I mean? Like that he has some AI backtest for him, which I think is pretty cool. You said, yeah, it's Baron Trades. He actually, bro, I found out about him because he was getting like crazy payouts with Top Step. And I remember one time he literally said, I want to get moved to live at Top Step. And then he literally ran up in a single 50K. I mean, like, he was cycling multiple 50Ks with high risk, but he ran up a 50K, like 100K in profit or something ridiculous. And then, like, bro said, I want to be so good that Tim glazes me. You're getting there, bro. You did. That was a good trade you took on Asia session. But he also uses other stuff like, you guys know options order flow, like gamma levels. I feel like they're called gamma expiration levels. Like he pretty much will like mark out like call resistance. He's like from order come. Yeah, of course, bro. Yeah, but he's deep in order flow. He uses like volume profiles a lot too. Like I don't think he doesn't even look at fair value gaps. Yeah, gamma flow and options flow. I respect it. I mean, honestly, like I feel like if I looked into it, I feel like it would like give me analysis paralysis, if you know what I mean. Like I feel like I already look at like ICT concepts and like don't get me wrong, maybe I might not have had the best start to this year, but I really do have confidence I can read price action in normal conditions, if that makes sense. You said I use fixed volume profiles. Yeah, when I was using volume profiles, I low-key wanted to incorporate them, but I never really got the hang of it. The way I used to draw them was I'd go from the open at like 6 p.m. So pretty much like the current session volume profile. Well, this is a different day. You get my point. I mean, if I go to, this is Tuesday. If I go to Tuesday's open, like somewhere over here. You said I don't like this price action. Yeah, I mean, I don't like how we're not taking this high. Unless maybe we want to deliver for it now, maybe. You said I'm gonna fund it. I'm kind of scared to press any button. I feel that, bro. I mean, honestly, just I feel like wait for like a good just A plus setup. Start off on the right foot. Out of curiosity, I wonder, were there any good inversions in here? This 3 minutes kind of ass. I mean, the highest time frame here was a 3 minute. Bro called him restream bot. I mean, you're good, bro. I'm just laughing. I mean, the restream bot is the bot that copies the chat between platforms. I mean, technically his name's Vizit. I mean, you can call him restream bot if you really want, but because technically I'm actually streaming on YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. But I feel like it would be weird if like you guys couldn't see the other chats. Like imagine I start answering someone else's question and then like is bro just talking to himself? Like is he going schizophrenic? Yeah, I thought it was funny. It's all good though, Roy. Not a problem. I was low key considering getting an annual subscription. Yo, I feel like this is where my commitment issues come out. I was low key considering getting a. Well, before I start ranting, I mean, if we take this high on ES, I will go break even. By the way, but besides that, I'm just waiting for something to happen on this trade. But I feel like my commitment issues come out where like I feel like if I buy the annual subscription for the restream service, um, I feel like it's just gonna stop working because I feel like whenever I like lock in with something like relationships, I feel like it always ends. Said 3 minutes. You know, speaking of, yeah, dude, this is so choppy. Like, we keep looking like we're going to deliver up. You know, I'm not going to go break even because I like the drawn liquidity. But, like, I wonder mentally, just for reference, I wonder, like, would it make sense for me to go break even when we, like, have shit delivery like this? Maybe today it might make sense more than other times, but I'll let it rock. But you know, speaking of restream, I was actually looking. You guys probably wouldn't even know this prop firm. I think it's like T3X or TX3. I was looking at their YouTube, and they had the default restream title on their stream, and I was just laughing because I'm thinking like, damn, I guess they use restream too, but like, they didn't even set it up properly. I thought it was kind of funny. Like, you guys are a prop firm, like, Yo, hire me for your social media. I know how to use Restream. Yo, Restream support is low key goated. I don't know. This is so random, but like I had an issue with Restream, and like I probably spoke to like the developers. Like they cared so much. I feel like they were like you said, dude, lately I've been trying to miss a trade and really let myself. I mean, honestly, that's what's up, bro. Like I feel like half of the skill of trading is not only making the money, but it's also avoiding the setups that are bad that would give back the profit you've already made, if that makes sense. You said it might boom bullish. I mean, this was a bullish 1 minute candle close, but I mean, it's just a 1 minute candle. I want to see like follow through. I mean, we're building stacked highs, but I mean, like, they don't necessarily need to get ran, especially like yesterday. We built stacked highs yesterday and they meant shit. But we'll see. So I feel like I low key like if we run these stacked highs up here, I'll go break even up then. Bro said, I'm gonna go get water. Your gulp made me thirsty. Yo, dude, YM is preying on my downfall. I mean, hopefully it's just a pullback. I mean, we'll see. I mean, I always say though, the wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. So I always try to like remember that. Like, I mean, that could be good or bad for me because this 1 minute candle hasn't closed yet. I mean, this could be a doji. This could be a bullish candle. It's slightly bullish. I mean, yo, there's like nothing going on Bookmap. Excuse me. Except there's like a bunch of orders sitting at like where my take profit is, pretty much. But you said, dude, Tim, what's up? That's not a bad 1 minute candle close, honestly. You guys like? I got rid of that reverse position button. It's preying on my downfall. Oh, interesting. You know, now that I haven't been streaming on TikTok, I haven't heard that. Yo, I think it's funny though. Like, there was literally one stream. I think it was one of my last streams on TikTok where I literally like fired up the stream and I had literally like I was counting it. I had like 6 people be like, "Yo, what's up, daddy?" Or like, "What's up, daddy?" I'm like, "Oh my god, guys!" Like, and I remember when I was saying everyone says it. There was one guy in chat too. I don't. It actually might have been you. I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't remember who's who across platforms. But I remember one dude in chat was like, "I say that every time I come here." They're like, I was like, okay, you are right. You said, bro, all my PD arrays have been hit. I'm okay. I mean, honestly, if you don't see anything, nothing wrong with logging off. I mean, definitely don't force a first trade and you're funded. And low key, we've just been shopping so far. I mean, I feel like the only hope would be like an 11 a.m. manipulation, maybe, and even then, like, you know what I mean? Especially too, I feel like we built up all these stacked highs. We're failing to take them. Like, you said no FVG, no We're just chopping it out. Yeah, I mean. Song called Rack City. I think I kind of do. Maybe. I'm not going to. I'm gonna. I got mad at myself for like quote unquote not following my rules. So like, I mean, honestly, typically I always say like I either get stopped out or it hits my break even point. So I'm not gonna stop the break even. Bro said the previous 4 hour screen's bullish 1 hour. I mean, yeah. I feel like when I get conflicting signals, if we're at all time highs, I kind of lean bullish. But like, I'm not saying that that's the best idea, if you know what I mean. Oh, you said, bro, I miss your background music. My bad. I actually I was filming a YouTube video yesterday, and I turned it off, and then I forgot to turn it back on. You said I like that, bro. Let the thing play out. Yeah, I mean, this is why I have rules, I guess. Yeah, facts them right back up. I mean, it's either gonna hit my stop loss or or hit my partial, then I go break even. He said so chill. Yo, I actually filmed. It came out. It's like 32 minutes long. It's actually gonna be. It's scheduled to be posted at noon. So like an hour and a half. There's like an alpha futures review. I actually used AI to make the thumbnail. It low key messed up my face a little bit. You guys want to see the AI thumbnail? I'm just pulling it up. I feel like you can only tell it's AI if you look really hard. I feel like. Here, can I make this full screen? Open image in new tab. That's like so low res. Bro said, don't worry, I'm gonna zoom in. But I feel like it's still... Here, wait, I'm still brain rot. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for the full, Yeah, it's gonna be posted at noon. But YouTube, they actually give you a low res thumbnail by default, but there's a way to get the full res thumbnail. I just always ask ChatGPT to do it for me. Here, does this link work? Oh wait, the link's not gonna work because the video's unlisted, I think. I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I'm making this too complicated. Is it this one? Okay, cool. Maybe if I zoom, I can zoom in with my browser. I don't know why that. I feel like the way you can kind of know it's AI though is my face was like a little messed up. I actually have much worse ones though. Like that I was trying out before. I'm trying to think. Here, I'll figure out how I'm gonna show the worst ones. Said fire. Appreciate that. I low-key want to experiment more with using AI for thumbnails because I be paying my editor like 20, you said bro looks like a good boy. Person honestly that looks good, serious face. But what do you call it? Oh, I want to show you guys the other ones I got. Where did I save them to? Can I open a file with my Safari? Is that how this works? Where did I even download this to? I'm probably getting stopped in this, aren't I? It is whatever. I don't know. I really want to find them now, though. Oh, maybe in my desktop. I think I probably put it into my desktop. I'm not the brightest. Dude, where did I save those to? Maybe my... Oh, wait. Maybe I saved them to my content folder. Yeah, this really is shitty SPA. Documents, content. You said, hey Tim, I wonder if this is a CISD downward. I mean, I wonder what... I wouldn't really say we broke too much structure. I mean, kind of. I wouldn't really say that's a good CISD in my opinion. I mean, I'm not the best CISD trader to ask, honestly. Because I feel like we might have shifted a little bit of structure in like the 1 minute, for example. But I feel like if you look at like the 3 minute or like the 5 minute, for example, we're still like in bullish structure. We did invert this 5 minute, which is not the best sign. But, I don't know, we're kind of choppy, honestly. Is ES praying on my downfall too? Yeah, we're dumping. I'm trying to think. I mean, like, so at this point, it's most likely we're going to stop me. I mean, I'll still hold it till a low down here, but after it stops me out, I'm trying to think. I mean, like, do I look for a long? Do I look for a short? I mean, honestly, I might be looking for shorts, honestly, especially like... I'll probably look for shorts after this. I mean, off of what though? I'm not too sure. I'd probably wait for like a 5 or a 15 minute gap to get opened up, maybe pulled back into, maybe. Maybe this SMT can save me. So, like, guys, I gotta get the post officer package. Appreciate that. Have a good rest of your day, bro. What's up, GC? How are you, bro? I said, good. Glad to hear that. I said, in shorts. We're fading each other. What was that? What was this move up? Is there news or something? I mean, aside from that candle, it's looking like you're right. I mean... I'm gonna check Financial Juice. Or should I check Truth Social? And maybe that's just a big ass candle. I feel like this might be 2 days in a row we like build up like some stacked highs and just don't take them. Because low-key, I mean, I feel like if we give momentum toward them, I feel like these really should get ran. I'm probably wrong, though. I wonder on NQ, are those equal lows down there? If these are exactly equal lows, ooh, I'm cooked. Yeah, dude, because these equal lows are most likely getting taken, honestly. But we'll see. Kind of surprised those equal lows didn't get taken, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like if I get stopped out in this trade, I'm probably not even looking for another trade, honestly. I feel like this price action is low-key not it. I'm not the biggest fan of where we are higher time frame either. Yeah, those equal lows are probably getting taken. How are we not taking these equal lows? What's up, Bakakano? How are you, bro? I'm genuinely surprised that we didn't take these equal lows. It's not like NQ took them now. We're probably just gonna take him right now. Bro said the trade gods know you're in long, so we don't take the equal lows. Alright, now we took him right now. I mean, I just gotta hope we deliver up off the equal lows like immediately and not take my stop, but I mean, yeah, I'm probably getting stopped, yeah. I gotta delete my other limit 10 light years away. So, I mean, I feel like it's kind of tricky. Bro said remove the stop loss. I mean, the daily candle is kind of bearish. I mean, there is this, like, this gap. There's like this weekly daily candle below. Honestly, I want to say I'm looking for shorts, honestly. I mean, I just want to see a pullback into like a 5 or a 15-minute gap or something. Maybe try a short to like the weekly daily. I low-key feel like if I traded inversions, I feel like this short isn't the worst at all. I mean, there's like an S&T at the high. I feel like there's not bad RR. Yeah, honestly, I'm looking for shorts probably. I just want to see a pullback. You said I have chills RN even though I got nothing. It's like a reset button. My head's clear. I mean, that's what's up, bro. Said Timmy, why is my computer showing in under 3 minutes when a girl find? Oh wait, is that the short I posted on YouTube? When a girl finds out that I'm a day trader? Yeah, I posted it like last night. Yeah. I wonder if we're even going to give me a pullback as an entry, because we're low-key just dumping right now. Yeah, at this point, I definitely want to hop in short. I mean, I get why I took longs there, but I definitely want to take shorts now. I just don't know. I mean, we'll probably get a pullback. I'll see. So not gonna lie. Well, honestly, I mean, at first I was saying the session's cooked, but I mean, there's like this wickless daily candle. I really do feel like that's a good target. But I just hate. I mean, price is probably just gonna keep displacing straight toward that target without any pullbacks. I bet. Watch. I love it too. I feel like we chopped over here for so long. Hat wants to deliver. So honestly, Tim, I'm green. I'm going to go ahead and step away from trading for the day. I appreciate the talk. I feel like I do get a little better every session, so it's nice to have you as a research. I appreciate that. It means a lot, bro. Have a good rest of your day. I wonder, how much am I down in this account? 450? That's not bad. I just want some pullback for shorts. Yo, holy dump. There's literally zero pullback. You said I agree with that. Dude said it's nice stopping by. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, I feel like compared to TikTok, I feel like it's so much more nice of a vibe, more serious. You said I'm happy to find my place to crash out of a price action. Yeah, fact. We can all complain about price action. I mean, since we took out these lows like down here, maybe we'll have some form of pullback. I literally just want to pull back into a 5 or a 15-minute gap. You said I'm talking to this girl? Hey, that's what's up, bro. I'm waiting to see if you're gonna like put a punchline after though. You said I talk about London and New York session and she thinks I'm a schizo. That's mad funny. You know, this might be like a really weird thing to say, but I was imagining, like, imagine if I had a girlfriend and I just talk about trading so much that, like, through hearing me talk about it, like, she just gets put on, if you know what I mean, and she just, like, starts trading and she learns the sauce and leaves me. Becomes, like, a 6-figure trader. Maybe that's just a me thought. You said I go, like, London was nice today, and she's, like, going along with it. I did so much. Do you use 30-second inversions? I used to. I really don't use them anymore, honestly. I've been a little more focused on like bookmap compared to inversions. When I used to only trade inversions, I would use the 30-second, but I feel like you gotta find like I feel like 30 seconds only good in some scenarios, if that makes sense. Like sometimes it's just noise. Ugh, Nasdaq, are you gonna give me any pullback here? I mean, I do think there's some good 30-second setups, but if we're able to open up a 5-minute and pull back into there, and I can like frame a good trade around there, I might try it. Bro said I'm the biggest 30-second hater. Yeah, I remember one time that's in English. One time a long time ago, I took like 2 30-second trades back to back, and you're like, dude, what are you doing? I'm liking, we're actually giving a pullback. Thank you, Nasdaq. You said I use them if the 1 minute is V-shape enough. I feel like there are certain situations where it makes sense. You said thank you, Nasdaq is crazy. You know, honestly, before I used to stream, I used to talk to my computer way too much. I kind of had to stop because it'd be weird, but it low-key was unhealthy though. To watch her disrespect, I mean, yeah. Because we have 2 minutes until this 5-minute gap opens up. We could just dump in the next 5 minutes. In 2 minutes, I mean. Bro said Nasdaq is a bad, beautiful girl. Bro said gold is, I don't know. I'm low-key not as much of a biggest fan of gold as I used to be. So is there an SM? I mean, internally, like there's an SMT over here, but like honestly, it's not like there's an SMT at like the actual low. Like we never took out that low in either one. We might start dumping here. Don't do it to me, Nasdaq. I like how we came close to taking out this low, but never actually took it out though. Because I love targeting like relative equal lows, especially like higher time frame ones. Oh, you know, I really hope that we're able to open this 5-minute gap and tap into it. The only thing is I'm scared. I feel like knowing Nasdaq, it could just open up that gap and just not tap into it and dump anyway. We'll see. I mean, I really want to see this gap open up and get tapped into. So I mean, the gap's not open just yet. I have to wait like 5 more seconds. So all we got to do is come up. Okay, cool. We tapped into the gap. On Bookmap, I'm not seeing a crazy amount of stuff here. I mean, obviously I want a short coming out of this gap. I mean, to a point, I feel like I'm stretching it, saying we're like reacting off Bookmap, if you know what I mean. But like low key, I feel like this is a good setup. I mean, there's some orders on Bookmap above. I mean, I might try this short, honestly. This might be the only opportunity I get to short today. That's a good candle close, okay. That's not the correct order type. Right, isn't it a buy stop? I was gonna double my position. And I know this might sound funny. I actually shouldn't use a stop, because I'll blow this account if it hits my stop loss, which sounds funny, but oh, where's my target? I go to the daily. So this trade's about to print. I mean, we'll see. Yeah, there's this wickless daily candle. It's like a 2.5 R. Definitely not the follow through I kind of want to see. But I mean, I was just taking it. We're reacting out of a 5-minute gap. I feel like we're obviously moving in bearish order flow. We have relative equal lows down below. There's this wickless daily candle below. Oh, I marked it out, but never even set my take profit. That might help. Cool. I'm going to add one more. I'm only adding one more because this account's pretty close to being blown. Holy reaction up. I like how I add one more, it just flies up. Is there like... These candles be moving crazy today. You know what? This is 1 minute gap, right? There's no 2 minute, no 3 minute, no 4 minute, no 5 minute. I mean, honestly, if we close this 1 minute, I think I'm in the clear. Pretty much like Baka Ken has said. Appreciate you, bro. Yo. What is going on with these candles? So we didn't close through the gap. It's a bearish close, but we still didn't close through the 1 minute gap. I like how as soon as I enter shorts, like the bearish momentum just disappears. And I'm kind of joking, but we're about to get it right now, I think, maybe. It just scares me how we keep like wicking up like that. But so once we take out this low down here, I'll go break even. I like how that's going to require me to place a stop loss. Yeah, I mean, we're about to invert this gap, I'm pretty sure. And the thing is, I feel like if I waited for this 1 minute inverse, though, I feel like the RR is kind of cooked. A little bit. It's not horrible. At least the 1 minute gap's inverted now. Here, I'll place a stop just so I can move it to break even. Because once we take out that blue line, I'll go break even. I know this might sound funny to say. I feel like on a normal day, I honestly might partial this blue line over here. Low key, if I lose this trade, I blow the 3 stack of evals I'm on right now. So it's like, do I really want to partial and get stopped to break even on my last trade? Like, not really. So I'm break even there. So I'm not going to partial. I'll just hopefully hold full position to this wickless daily candle. Which hopefully, I'd be surprised if we don't just dump from here. It said, dang, nice trade, bro. Appreciate that, Vizid. So I'm not trading today. Honestly, it's not the worst decision not trading today. I mean, like, I saw the momentum going down and I wanted to get involved, but until we started like showing momentum, like today was ass, dude. And like this wasn't even that like, I'm not gonna say I got an A+ entry, if you know what I mean either. Like I low-key just saw a reaction out of a 5 minute gap and was like, oh, I'll get in. I'll follow the trend. You said, bro, don't say that. You ain't blowing nothing. Yeah, dude. Nah, actually, I was actually about to make a crazy. Back to trading. I'm sure you guys know what type of joke I was going to make. You should just pass some accounts on this short. Hey, that's what's up. So thank you, Tim. Yeah, of course, bro. I would be genuinely surprised if this thing comes all the way back to my break even. I mean, like, I'm not going to crash out or anything. But, like, I feel like this wickless daily candle, like, dude, no way we're not about to take this wickless daily candle. You said 1-to-1 trade secure. Oh, you take that 1 minute inversion? That's what's up, Bakukenu. Yo, no way. Nasdaq, you on some bullshit today. You said, why didn't you go break even on your first trade? Honestly, like at that moment in time, I was pretty bullish. And I just wanted to wait until, like, you know, my first take profit one? Like, I would have went break even there. But me personally, I didn't feel comfortable going break even until then. I just figured I'll either get stopped or whatever, I don't know. Because, like, there are some days, like, I know today I was wrong on the idea, but there are certain days where, like, I'll move stops to break even, and then it just stops me at break even, and I don't give the actual idea, like, enough room to run, if that makes sense. Oh. Treat me right, Nasdaq. You know, I wonder, I'm going to try to use AI to edit this recording and see if I can get a clip of me hitting the second trade, maybe. Well, it actually needs to hit for me to clip it, though. I can't clip a break even, but... You said that makes sense. Thanks. Yeah, of course. Because I mean, dude, like, there have been so many days where I've moved stops to break even. That's mad funny, Bison. You should have it use AI to get some bitches. You know, unfortunately, I'm not even saying this is a good idea. I low-key have been, though. I told ChatGPT, I was like, yo, can you help me come up with a plan to actually meet girl? That's low-key why I got the Planet Fitness membership. Like, that was ChatGPT. It was like, oh, well, to find women that are aligned. And it was telling me to go to, like, you know that farmer's market I went to? Like, ChatGPT gave me the idea for that farmer's market. Bro said I knew it. He said, I'm hoping, dude, I really hope we drop here. I don't like that we're wicking back up all this low, though. Holy, dude. Nasdaq, we are not friends. What is this price action? I currently pay for Claude and ChatGPT. Dude, Nasdaq, can you please dump? Like, there's no way you're about to not take this wickless daily candle. No way, Nasdaq. You said it's okay, bro. I only knew because I asked ChatGPT. Nah, I know the struggle, bro. I'm not judging. Oh, Nasdaq. Oh, but I'd be asking ChatGPT like way too many questions. Like, I'd be like, yo, if I do go talk to a girl, like, what type of... Dude, what the fuck are these candles? Like... like... Why are we teleporting around for no reason? I'm like, I'm not... There's no shot in hell I'm taking any more trades after this. But, like... It just pisses me off because, dude, how are we going to come so close to this wickless daily candle and not take that? Like, are you serious, though? Like, are you serious, Nasdaq? Yo, price action has... I genuinely think 2026 price action needs to be studied. Okay. You know what? That's enough trading for me today. That's enough trading for me today. I even would have partialed too down here if I wasn't so close to filling the eval. I'm probably going to fucking blow these evals. I'll do my trade breakdown, but yo, watch this thing just stop me at break even and go my way. I feel like that's how my trade's been going lately. Low key though, like that's been happening to me a lot. I feel like. I sold at 76, which stopped me out like almost to the tick. So for my trade recap, coming to the session, I was bullish. I mean, I'm with NQ. So I mean, coming to the session, I was bullish, right? Obviously, bullish daily chart. One of the main things I was looking at was like, you see like there's this wickless candle. It's a wickless daily candle, like wickless 4 hour. It's a wickless hourly candle. Like even go to the 15-minute, it's basically the difference between the closing price on Thursday and the opening price, like Thursday at 6 p.m., which is like Friday's open. This gap has been filled into, is wickless. That's a very strong draw in my opinion. So I saw at open, we came down and we started going up, right? So we had like, this is like a change in the state of delivery. So we came down, we retested that. We also tapped into a 5-minute bullish fair value gap, which is right up here. And you can see like this candle right here has this huge wick coming down, right? So when we were forming this wick, I saw us coming back up, right? So I took my first long. Well, I took only a long. I took a long over here. So then I was going to partial at this high up here and go break even up there. Or if ES took that same high, I was going to go break even. So I feel like the main things going against this trade, I mean, there was this wickless daily candle below. There was also an SMT at the high. I mean, I don't look at every SMT and necessarily think it needs to hold. And I feel like there was like conflicting structure. Like, I feel like the 1 hour was starting to V-shape. But at the same time, this hourly gap's kind of holding. In the 4 hour, like, that had a huge wick to the bottom side. But it was kind of confusing. I mean, I personally, I feel like when we're at all-time highs, I kind of lean more bullish. So I tried this long. I ended up getting stopped out on that long. From there, like, we started dumping, and I was like, you know what? Like, obviously, I'm wrong with my longs. Like, we're trending toward this wickless daily candle down here, right? This gap. So I saw us dumping. I was waiting for a pullback into like a 5 or a 15-minute gap. So we ended up pulling into a 5-minute gap, like right around here. We had like an immediate reaction off that. You know, low key, should I consider shorting one more time here? You know, do I just retry this? If there's enough orders on Bookmap, I mean, honestly, dude, I'll just retry this. It said Brodoed short. I don't know, I'll try it. You might think I'm crazy, but in this case, I don't think I'm getting too emotional. And honestly, I mean, even if these accounts get blown, it's really whatever. Bro said TikTok got bro. I don't know. I know this might sound like dumbass logic, but like, I kind of wanted to start in a fresh set of funded accounts. Especially too, I know this might sound funny, but like, if I have one trade in breather room and I start stream tomorrow and I blow my trade, I have to like buy accounts. It's like, yeah, I mean, that's the thing I don't like. I feel like we start to push down and then out of nowhere, and like we just shoot right back up. I mean, honestly, I just feel like the higher time frame draw is like still intact. I feel like if we were gonna react down, like we would sweep the high inside this 5-minute gap. I feel like this is like the last area I could see like price reacting from, if we're gonna be short, but I mean, starting to come down a little bit. I should mark out this wickless daily candle. I'm gonna have to do my whole trade recap again. So what maps that's not English. What is Bookmap looking like? So I mean, there's like some orders at like 70, which is like right below where we are now. So if we drop a couple more points, I mean, I should probably zoom out though. I feel like there's not, honestly not too much. Besides, it's where my TP is. There's a shit ton of orders on Bookmap. But yeah, it's like this is the thing I don't like though. I feel like every time we push down, like out of nowhere, this candle, like we'll just have a candle that teleports straight up. We'll see. Honestly, for going break even, I'll literally wait until we take out that low all the way down there. Did I like not calculate my position size correctly? What, 29? No, I should be in for 8 cons. I don't know why. Oh, I know why actually. You said I've been trading for around 10 months and I wanted to ask, since you've got more experience, about how this year has been for you. To be honestly, this year has been one of my worst years, to be completely honest. Like, I feel like last year, like, I feel like I was really starting to get a grip on trading, and I feel like I feel like the conditions are just slightly different. Like, and like, I know, like, it's not even just from my perspective. Like, I'd be like locked in with all the other like trading gurus, like not like personally, but like I follow them, like Dodgy, like PJ Trades. I feel like all of them are sitting here complaining about price action just like weird this year, and it does line up with all the like events in the economy, or like the what's going on in current news, right? Like the Strait of Hormuz gets open, it gets closed, and it's like, then there's this going on, and Trump's threatening to do this. You know what I mean? Like, there's just so much stuff going on in the economy. I feel like it makes price action a little like weird. Yeah, you said when I was backtesting, I feel like things hold. Yeah. I know what you mean. So I'll place a stop loss just for, I mean, if we take out that blue line down here, I'll go break even. Or if ES SMT's down there. But I'm liking this displacement down right now. And also, you know, I keep getting edged. I want to make sure my TP is it. Bro said, we never doubted you, bro. We knew it was going to hit. Appreciate that, bro. You like, honestly, W break even though. If, like, I feel like I low-key am getting a little better managing when to go break even on Bookmap. Because the first trade, I didn't go break even. But, like, the second one, I actually did go break even. And I wouldn't be in this trade if I didn't get break. Like, I would have, if I lost twice, I would have walked away for the day. You know what I mean? I didn't even check. I assume there's got to be some 15-minute gap we tapped into. I could be wrong, honestly, but... Where's my phone? What? I know my phone's in my hand, but where's my other phone? I heard it vibrate. Whatever. And honestly, I know this might sound a little like crazy. I'm really not going break even here. Like, I really want to see this this wickless daily candle get hit. You said GG's, bros, you got this. I think especially if this 1 minute candle starts flipping, that's probably in the bag. What type of RR is this? This is like almost a 3.5 RR. You know, not like this is going to affect me emotionally, but, you know, if this does hit, this is probably the... well, this would be, if it does hit, this would be the highest RR trade I've probably hit on stream. I think I've hit a 3-to-1. I was going to hit a 4-to-1 that I accidentally closed once. I just genuinely hate though. I feel like out of nowhere said I'm gonna take care. Yeah, have a good day, Vizit. Appreciate you stopping by. Name this. It's 11:10. Ooh, the 11 a.m. macro's over. Yeah, this is pretty much exactly when I would stop trading if I wasn't in a trade. But obviously, I'll let this thing rock, but... Yeah, we tapped into a 15-minute gap as well. We swept the high inside the 5-minute. That high really should be protected. Because sometimes I think, like, what reason do we have to trade to my stop loss, right? Like, we swept a high inside a 5-minute gap. We tapped into a 15-minute gap. We react out of it. What reason do we have to go to my take profit? Like, it's a wickless daily candle. It's like a new day opening gap between Thursday and Friday last week. I wonder how long this trade's going to take to hit. Nasdaq, you're crazy today. I swear to God. Honestly, I'm not moving stops to break even. I know I was up heavy. I mean, like, not heavy, but like, I was up like almost 2R. But it's a combination of I really like the draw, the wickless daily candle, and honestly too, I mean, this fun, like, I low-key just want to get a fresh set of evals. I mean, because I only have one trade of breathing room left so far. And what the rebill would be like in like 2 weeks, for example, if you know what I mean. Yo, price action is genuinely diabolical today, though. If this thing stops me out, that's actually high-key crazy. And like, I'd go break even if we took out like that low down there, or like if ES took out that same low and we put in an SMT there, I'd go break even, but I'm not going break even just yet. Which we'll see if that's a good decision. I mean, like pretty much the logic I described before though. Like, what reason do we have to retrade to this high? Like it mitigated a 15-minute gap. It swept a high inside a 5-minute. I mean, like, price action doesn't care about what I think, but in my opinion, I feel like there's no reason for price to trade back up there. Like, the sell model hasn't been completed. Like, it'd be one thing if we took out this, like, this low first, which is like the daily candle with no wick, but like, Just hanging out at my entry now. You know, speaking of, you guys remember I was saying how TradeSyncer. Yeah, this is TradeSyncer's Discord, right? Yeah, dude, they just tagged me to let me know about a sale at some prop firm. You know, sometimes when I go through trades like this, where like I'm up heavy, comes back to my break even, goes my way, I feel like I earned that money, if that makes sense. Like if this trade does hit, I feel like I earned a win today. Maybe I should just shut up though. Going right back up as soon as I say that. And I feel like as we get closer to lunch hour too, I feel like it's only gonna get choppier. I mean, maybe it could deliver good. You never know, but that's really not the best candle close there. Yo, look at these 1 minute candles though. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down. So what account size? I'm trading it's 350Ks being copy traded together. Nah, they're evals. Actually, if I lose, the reason I actually don't have a stop loss placed is because if this trade goes against me, I actually blow these 3 evals. Because I lost, what? I lost twice on Monday. Low-key, one of those losses shouldn't have been a loss, as low-key me being a dumbass, but... And then I lost once today. I took a break even today, and this is my 3rd trade. I always stop, though, if I take 2 losses in a day. I feel like whenever I stay on like YouTube stream pretty late, I feel like sometimes I'd be bringing in new viewers. People who are like scrolling at 11:30 who usually don't see me. Like, oh, who are you? Oh, the website for Lucid should be fixed now, I guess. If any of you guys are having Lucid issues. You know, I guess I'll let you guys know, even though they denied me as an affiliate twice. I think it's kind of funny, though. We came right back up to my entry. We're just chopping exactly at my entry. I really want to see us start displacing down. Like, not just wicking down. Ugh. Unacceptable, Nasdaq. That's exactly... Remember I said don't want to see us wick down? It's pretty much exactly what we did. This is some price action today. I mean, I'll let this trade play out, but like... I feel like I'm losing brain cells watching this price action. Like, this is actually straight chop right here. Should I label this? Straight. Why can't I type? Straight chop. I'm going to leave that label. I think it's kind of funny. I want to see this woman to candle close bearish. It actually closed bearish. Are we? I want to see displacement back down. I don't know why I feel so randomly tired. I need to go to the gym. I should probably go to the gym after I stream. I haven't even decided, well, what am I going to do for the rest of my day? I actually, I was considering making a video about fair value gaps, but I feel like that's such a basic concept. I know this might sound funny, but, like, my old editor that makes my thumbnails, like, I have a guy I pay for my thumbnails, like, I don't make... If an editor... If you ever look at a thumbnail on YouTube and it looks like a 5-year-old made it, I made it. If it's well put together, either AI or the editor I pay made it. But, I paid him for, like, a bulk package, and I think I paid him for, like, 10 thumbnails at once, and, I feel like low-key some of the ideas weren't as high quality, if you know what I mean. So, like, I paid someone, like, I have an FVG thumbnail ready, like a fair value gaps explained. Hey, someone just used my discount code at Tradeify. Appreciate whoever that was. I have no idea who it was, but I love seeing people use my discount code. Oh, and also, if you guys are, I don't know if any of you guys trade with Alpha Futures. Alpha Futures is still doing 20% off all accounts until the end of the month. You just got to use discount code TIMB272. They usually do like 10% off, but until the end of the month, it'll be 20. I know this might sound funny. I've said this before. I really love Tradeify though, because you can get email notifications. So I get an email every time someone uses my code. So I'll just be like going about my day, and I'm like, hey, somebody used my code. I don't know. It brings me joy. I low key need the money. I mean, I was thinking about, in order to draw on affiliate sales though, like obviously like I promote like Tradeify when I stream and all, and like Alpha Futures when I stream, but like I was thinking the best way for me to actually probably pull in some affiliate income would just be like YouTube video. Like for example, I have a video scheduled to be posted on YouTube, like just like reviewing Alpha Futures. It's actually fucking 32 minutes long. But I feel like if I draw people in from the search, it's like if you're searching Alpha Futures review, you most likely are ready to buy a prop firm account. But like if you just pull up to a YouTube stream, it's not like you have credit card in hand ready to buy an account. You know what I mean? I don't know. Just think of my affiliate tactics out loud. Yo, this is so sus. You guys know, like, I'm sure you guys know beef jerky. Like, I be eating this thing called, like, Chomps. Or, yeah, Chomps. It's, like, a healthy version of beef jerky, if you know what I mean. But they're also, like, beef sticks, not jerky. But, they said they were going to give me a discount if I gave them my phone number. So I keep getting texts about, like, meat sticks all day long. I just feel sus. I mean, at least we're delivering down toward this wickless daily candle. I mean, honestly, reviewing myself as a trader, I know that might sound like a funny sentence to say, but I feel like sometimes I get very tunnel vision on certain draws when I like them. And I feel like on some days it's a good thing and some days it's a bad thing, if that makes sense. But I don't know. This is a 3.33R. It's kind of funny. Oh, and I did run my 5K yesterday. I don't know if you guys saw my story. Because yesterday on stream, I feel like I low-key kind of act like a dumbass. So I punished myself by running a 5K, which is like 3.1 miles. But low-key, dude, my time on my 5K was pretty good. I what do you call it? I ran the 5K and it was just under 28 minutes. It was like 27 minutes and 59 seconds. So like literally 1 second under 28 minutes. But I rarely run 5Ks under 28 minutes, honestly. It was a mad nice day outside though. It was literally like perfect weather. I ran outside. I mean, I could run a treadmill if I really wanted to. Because I have 2 gym memberships, not 1. I have 2 gym memberships. What gym should I go to today? Should I try to talk to some girls today? Nah. I'm kind of joking. I keep thinking though, like I feel like sometimes I finish trading and I'm like, oh, should I go try to like talk to a girl today? Like go cold approach a girl? And I'm like, nah, it's a lot of work and anxiety. But at the same time though, like when am I ever gonna finish trading and be like, yeah, let's go talk to a girl? Like it might happen once, but like if I wait until I feel ready, it's like the same thing with trading. Like I feel like if you wait until you feel like you're ready, like you'll be waiting forever. I think my screen's gonna freeze for a second. Yo, holy price action. Like, I know you want that wickless daily candle. I know you want it. You said, Tim, how are you? I haven't seen you on TikTok Live. Yeah, I've been chilling. Honestly, I'm not too sure if I want to keep up with TikTok Lives, to be completely honest. I feel like it, like, keeps me up late. I feel like gold isn't, like... I feel like it used to be a little better. I don't know. I've been trying to focus on the AM sessions. I was saying I might come in there occasionally, but I feel like AM session is always the main focus for me, I guess. You said A is still streaming? I mean, yeah, my trade hasn't hit TP. You said you work today? No, I do not work today. Well, what are you doing today, JP3? You said we need you back. It's boring at that time. We need your entertainment. I mean, I might come back eventually, but a little bit. I said, hell yeah, you got time for that trade to hit? Yeah, I got time. Yeah, I'm targeting this, like, wickless daily candle. What was it? Like, see, like on Friday, there was basically no wick. I feel like we don't want to leave that behind. I low-key, I never like shorting at all-time highs, but with that in mind, though, short. And I feel like we started displacing toward it really hard. You said today I got work at 4, and now I'm just getting stuff ready for Japan on Thursday. Hey, that's what's up. I'm going to Japan on Thursday. You know, safe travels, bro. Let me know how it is. It's a W in the chat for Tim to carry on the Asia streams. I mean, honestly, I wish I could stream Asia and New York, but like honestly, I feel like I'm human. I only have so much energy. Like I work a part-time job. I work like 22 hours a week. Like I have to do stuff in my own life, like helping out my parents and stuff. Like I make short form, long form videos. I feel like I don't know. I just feel like it kind of wasn't sustainable. Bro said next payout we both going. I don't know. I'd be kind of scared to go to Japan, but I mean, maybe, bro. You said at 5K runs. I mean, yeah, I'd be doing 5K runs. Are we gonna dump? I know you want this wickless daily candle. Yo, bro said bro's not getting out of this trade. You know, when you left, wasn't I like down here too? When you left, I really thought that shit was gonna hit. And then I was like, nah, this shit's gonna stop me out. And now I have hope again. You like how I labeled this chop at my entry? Yeah, at this point, I would be very surprised if this shit doesn't hit. So, I mean, I know it sounds funny to say, but I mean, I'll move stops to break even once we take that blue line down there. Bro said when I come, peace out, bro. You said that shit about to rocket down. I'm hoping so. I mean, because we have like relative equal lows at the lows now. We have that wickless daily candle. Like maybe we'll tap in like this 1 minute gap up here, or like 1 minute order block or something. Continue back down. How many points? I still need 40 more points. I feel like 40 points, it sounds like a lot, but it's really not that much, especially with how we're moving right now. Damn, my average view duration on this stream's low-key kind of high. I guess once you guys have been staying with me, appreciate that. Hopefully, once we take out like my break-even point, I think it's just about to rocket down. Whenever it wants to take out these lows. You said, do you stream every day on YouTube? Yeah, I stream every day, Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time I start at. I usually end at, like, let's say around, like, between 11 and 11:30. Like, today, for example, this trade's taking forever to hit, so I'm here a little later than normal. But I always start at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The accounts I'm trading right now are actually alpha futures accounts. I low-key actually want to get moved to live at alpha. It's actually a goal I set for myself, which I know sounds kind of funny, but alpha treats their live traders very well. Like, if you get moved to live at alpha, you actually get calls with like a risk strategy manager, essentially. Like, they review your trades and they're like from an actual prop floor. And like, I feel like, I don't know. I just want to get moved to live at alpha, but I was trading Tradeify accounts for Asia Gold, but I low-key stopped trading Asia Gold. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know if I want to copy trade between both firms, maybe. If you know what I mean? Like, get daily payouts and copy trade and try to get moved to live at alpha at the same time. Oh. Yo, we are edging this low. I know you want to take this low, Nasdaq. I wonder how much space I could save in my camera roll if I deleted all these videos of me like recording, like waiting for TP to hit. So, nah, I haven't used Top Step in a minute, honestly. I feel like the only reason I'd say Top Step is good is if you like Top Step X, like go for it. Aside from Top Step X, and dude, have you seen those people doing those comparisons where they compare Top Step to Lucid? Like, objectively, like Lucid is actually better than Top Step. Like, if you compare all the rules like side by side now, at least for the 50K. I think for the 100K, maybe Top Step's still a little better, but like, and dude, you know the payout cap on a 50K account at Top Step is like 2K now with the regular, like, I remember when Top Step didn't have a payout cap. Like, I remember when I used to see people run up 6 figures on a 50K. These were like long days ago, but yo, we edge my break-even point by 2 ticks. Cool, cool. And now we rock it up. I mean, I still believe this draw is going to hit, but this is crazy. It's like the same shit as yesterday. Remember yesterday we had a 930 wick. We had stacked highs leading up to it, and we just took forever to run it. Like today, we have an obvious draw that should get hit. It's taking forever to go toward it. Oh, you said I missed your comment. Oh, you said it now. You said so is Alpha better? I'd say Alpha and Tradeify. Well, I'd say Alpha is better than Top Step. I would say that. But if we're comparing Alpha and Tradeify, I always say they have use cases. Like, for example, if you're a beginner trader, like, to be frank here, like, no offense, if you've gotten no payouts, the chances of you getting a funded account and being moved to live, which requires 5 payouts, are very low, right? So if you're not planning on getting moved to live, like Tradeify has great offerings. I mean, like you can get daily payouts on sim funded accounts with a select plan. You can get straight to funded accounts. But if you're willing to pay like a couple bucks more and you like are thinking more long term, I feel like Alpha's better for like how they handle live transition, how they handle live traders. And they have like Alpha Prime, which is like an actual trading floor. I mean, honestly, if you want to hear me talk for 30 minutes about like an Alpha Futures review, I'm actually posting a video on my YouTube in 20 minutes. It'll be posted at noon. I mean, there's like chapters, if you know what I mean. So like one section I compare the plan types Alpha has. Like another section I explain Alpha Prime and the benefits they have like for live traders. And then I explain the company structure and like who's running the company. I'm a fucking nerd. But did you know one of the guys on the team of management at Alpha Futures has been trading for 30 years, well, almost 30 years. And he like I think he started at like large cap investment banking in like 1993, I want to say, or something like that. You said, sweet, I'll check that out. Appreciate that, bro. And if you have any further questions, you're welcome to leave a comment or message me in the Discord or something. Time is it? Damn, it's 11:40 already? Wow. Yo, can this trade hit so I can go about my day? I should, I'll mentally, what am I going to do for the rest of my day? I'll mentally start planning out loud. So honestly, I want to hit the gym because I actually I ran a 5K yesterday. So that involved me skipping the gym. Because I'm not trying to do both. But I'll probably hit chest, shoulders, and triceps. I'm trying to think if I should go to my regular gym or I could go to some local Planet Fitness and potentially talk to a girl. I'll get a better workout at my regular gym though. Or I could get a good workout at my regular gym, then maybe go to a coffee shop. What the fuck's wrong with me? I don't want to die alone. That's what's wrong with me. And also, in terms of content though, I mean, what do you like? I have some video ideas too. I mean, do you think I should film another YouTube video? I feel like that would tire me out. I have a list of ideas for YouTube videos. Where's my list? I mean, I was going to do a best prop firm plan of like 2026. I was going to do an Orderflow versus ICT video. FVG explained. I was going to do a video talking about journaling trades. I know, I'm kind of burnt out. I could make short form videos. Yo, did you guys see that short form video I posted of me just like going, ugh? I posted it on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. It literally, like, the caption was like, new traders need to understand this. And I literally just went like, I wonder, can you guys hear this? Here, maybe I'll play it for you guys. Yo, straight sauce in this video. I made the caption, if you don't hear the sauce, you aren't listening hard enough. Honestly, I think that caption made the whole post. Some people didn't appreciate it though. They were like, bro, do you really need views that bad? And I was like, yes, I do. Some guy named Victor Trades. Shout out Victor Trades. He's a goat. But he was saying that. Honestly, though, I have another brain rot idea. Like, when I end this stream, I literally have another brain rot idea. I don't want to spoil it, but don't get... Like, I'll just say this. You guys are going to be just as concerned about me as you were when I posted this other short form video. Someone on my Instagram commented, they were like, yo, somebody check on Tim. I also want to see if I can use AI to edit my, I don't know if it's going to work, but I downloaded something. It's called like FFmpeg or something like that. It works with Claude AI. I don't know if you guys know Claude, but essentially, I think I might be able to edit a local video file like using Claude. So I want to, like, honestly, the number one thing I want to make Claude be able to do, I think it'd be so cool. Like, let's say I'm on stream, I take a trade, I give the video file of me trading to Claude, and I have it edit it where it'll start the clip where I'll be like, oh, guys, I'm taking these shorts here. And then it'll flip to another point. And I'm like, I'm taking these shorts because we're delivering from a 5-minute gap. We have an S&T at the highs. We have data lows below, which are the target, right? Whatever. Like, that's just an example, right? But if I could have Claude edit that for me and fast forward between that, and then, like, it would fast forward to, like, okay, guys, I'll move my stop loss to break even now. And, like, oh, the trade just hit. I don't know. I feel like it would be a great way for me to make my streams grow. And like, I don't have the time to sit here and edit my streams like that. I don't have the money to pay an editor. I do have money for Claude AI credits or whatever they're called. I mean, I've been paying for API credits. I don't know if you necessarily need to. I mean, I've been using them, but I also pay monthly for Claude, and I also pay monthly for ChatGPT. And I actually pay. I also have another AI subscription service that's called Vizard. That I give it the link to my. It's like, I mean, it clips my streams for me. I just can't give it directions, if you know what I mean. Like, it tries to find moments that are valuable, if you know what I mean. But the cool thing about Vizard is, though, because it uses AI to recognize what I'm saying and add captions, it'll actually add like a caption underneath, if you know what I mean, and it'll add hashtags that are relevant. So, I mean, if you guys ever see me post something on Instagram or YouTube and you're like, dude, this sounds like a robot, I mean, it's because an AI was clipping my stream for me. But, it saves me so much time, dude. Yo, this price action is going to be the end of me. I was like, what do you mean we're failing to take this low? I'm going to be here all day. Ugh. I appreciate all you guys stopping by to watch me and trade, though, and listen to me yap my head off. I feel like chat hasn't been too active, but I've still been talking. I think you guys are probably just curious to see if this trade hits. But bro said do a 23-hour stream. So what, you want me to sleep for 1 hour and stream the rest of the day? I feel like I don't got enough viewers for that. Oh, you said good morning, nice trade. What's up? Good morning, Outer CT. How are you, bro? I mean, honestly, it's a nice trade, but I don't like how it's not coming down. You said, dude, what am I gonna do on that long ass flight? You know, maybe you should download the ICT 2022 mentorship. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. That's a good way to fall asleep on the flight. Honestly, though, I really, like, do you watch movies or TV? Like, I couldn't even watch any show that I loved for 14 hours. Your bro said melatonin. I mean, bro, anything to put you to sleep. I mean, that both will put you to sleep. Yeah, melatonin. I mean, you guys know, what Drake says, you know, half of something and he's out like a light. I mean, maybe I shouldn't make that joke. Nah, you'll wake up arrested in Japan. Oh my god, are we finally delivering? Bro, so I hope the Wi-Fi works. I feel like for a flight that long, I feel like it'd be inhumane if it didn't work. maybe inhumane's not the right word, but like, you get my point. That'd be cruel and unusual torture not having Wi-Fi for that long. It's not like people in the 1900s had to deal with that or anything, right? I mean, like, you know, like the human needs, right? You need food, water, shelter, and Wi-Fi. Like, without any of those. Oh, you said hard to trade. It was hard to trade this morning. Oh my god. Are those equal lows? I want to see. Okay, I'm break even there. I want to see this just displace down to this wickless daily candle. If we, I'm not even joking. If we come off this low and hit my break even, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I don't know. I mean, I know you could say partial here, but there's absolutely no logical reason in which we should not take this wickless daily candle. Like, I just feel like I've been getting cooked lately so much I get scared. Oh, he said, how do you plan your... I mean, I usually do the daily payouts on the Tradeify select accounts. Did I miss anything? I think he's going to hit bouncing up the 50 EMA. I'm hoping. I guess if this thing does stop me at break even, I'm gonna say the price action's cooked. That's what I'll say. I mean, cause, dude, like, There's literally no reason for us to react off this low and not take that. Okay, now we're starting to come back down the 1 minute. Honestly, fun fact though, I'll tell you guys this. I don't like being too public about this. It doesn't really matter that much. But honestly, like one of the reasons I love daily payouts on the Tradeify select accounts is because I personally really don't like the way Tradeify handles live transition. So like pretty much like when you get moved to live at Tradeify, like let's say if I have a 50K account, they're gonna move me to a live account with a 2K drawdown. And it does not matter if I run up a 10K balance in that account, I'm still getting moved to live with a fixed $2,000, right? So like, I don't like running up sim accounts and wondering like, oh, are they going to take this away from me and give me a fixed static live account with 2K? You know what I mean? So with daily payouts, the second you get that money, you can withdraw it. I'm not even joking though. Dude, if this thing actually comes back to stop me at break even, I'm going to question what is wrong with trading. You said, what's going on with this trade? Yeah, because it's not even like me being emotional. It's not me having a bias and thinking this trade should hit. Like, there's no reason we should come this close to a strong draw, a higher time frame, and not hit it. Like, and I feel like we've done this multiple times lately too. Like, I don't get what the fuck type of timing Nasdaq's on, but like we really should have dumped through that low to this wickless daily candle. It's not even like ES didn't even take out the low either. There's an SMT there. Honestly, it's going to make me feel a lot better if I go on social media and I see everyone and their mom shorting to this, which honestly, I'm not... Dude, this is like... This wickless daily candle should get hit. I'm not going to be surprised if I see other traders doing the same shit as me and complaining. And like, I know you'd say, it's like, oh, well, you sacrifice, like, you should just take profit there. But like, there's literally no reason why I should take profit there. Like, it makes no sense. Just let the trade play out. As much as it's frustrating me. It's frustrating because, I mean, if I lose this trade, I'm only... Well, if I get stopped at break even, I'm only going to have one trade of breathing room of, like, losing on 350Ks. So, like, I just don't want to spend another 300 on another, like, 3 stack. Yo. This is crazy, Nasdaq. What temperature is it outside? Should I open my window? I'm sweating. I don't know why my weather app has like not been working lately. Yo, no way we're about to close bullish on this 1 minute. I know it's a 1 minute candle, but like, we can't displace down for shit. I guess maybe that's a little better of a close, but like, oh, I guess that YouTube video I have scheduled to post is going to get posted in 5 minutes, it looks like. I assumed I wouldn't be on stream when the video got posted. I guess I'll just post my pinned comment while on stream. Because I like to post a pinned comment at the top of the videos. Yo. Can you deliver down, Nasdaq? I'm glad I don't work today, but like... Shit. I also don't want to sit here and just watch these candles go back and forth all day long. I swear, if this candle closes bullish, I'm gonna crash out. Yo. Like, why would you close bullish like that? Yo, if this thing's actually about to stop me at break even, isn't it? There's, I'm genuinely taking back this wickless daily candle's not getting taken. Said no, it's not. Well, honestly, I mean, I hope you're right. I mean, I'm gonna hold this trade, but like, dude, it's failing to deliver down. There's an S&T at the low, and honestly, like, after I see this candle, like, we failed to displace down, strong candle close. I mean, I don't know. I want to see this fail to come up here. That's not a bad 1 minute candle close, actually. I want to see it follow through, though. I'm still up like over 1 R, but... Yeah, we're just failing to, like, move down. I feel like every time we come down, it just gets, like, it's just wicking. Like, the higher time frame draw hasn't been taken, but, like, there's just no displacement toward it. Come on, dump Nasdaq. Yo, if I'm telling you, if this thing puts in a wick and then it closes bullish, I'm gonna cry my eyes out tonight. No, I'm not actually. But dude, like, we came so close to taking that wickless daily candle too. I mean, that's kind of an acceptable close, not really. Could be worse. This is such like a range we're in right here. I mean, we're just chopping. I mean, it's lunch hour. I mean, I don't know what I expect, but I mean, I could trail my stop to like up here and secure 1R, but like so hopefully we'll take out that high and react off of it, but yo, I was up so heavy. I was up like 2.5 R at one point. No way. I genuinely hate the Nasdaq. Be edging my target. Ugh. Maybe we can follow through off. And we swept out that high and had a bearish close. I mean, it's like my last hope of this trade playing out. I feel like if it wasn't lunch hour right now, this thing would be delivering down, I feel like. And if any of you guys are new here, I do live stream Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and trade Nasdaq. So definitely subscribe, hit that like button, pull up again if you guys want to. I think the streams are pretty fire. I know today I'm not getting the delivery I want, but yo, these candles just teleport up. They really do. I feel like ES is coming down a little bit right now. I want to see NQ do the same. This thing's probably stopped me a break even. Yo, imagine like going break even when being up. I was up almost 3R, and I was like, oh, I just want a little bit more. I'll just go break even. Well, it makes sense though. I mean, like, there's no reason for us to take out that low and react back up to my break even, but there's also no reason for us to take out that low and like not hit that draw. Like, what do you mean this wickless daily candle is still there? What do you mean? Genuinely sweating so much. It's giving me a small amount of hope. I shouldn't listen. And there's so much LR below. Yeah, that's the thing I love. I feel like it's been a theme today. Like every time we give a little push down, like before the 1 minute candle closes, it just comes right back up. Just flies up out of nowhere. Right? It was starting to come down. And it's like, nope, never mind. Ugh. Damn. So it's about to stop me in 5 seconds. So, I mean, I'll do my recap. But I'm not... There's no fucking shot in hell I'm taking any more trades today. I mean... You want to take me out of break even yet, sir? I'm still in on all 3 accounts. Interesting. Let's see if it does its signature thing, right? It gives you a fake out like it's going to go down, and out of nowhere, this candle is probably going to fly up and be bullish. And that's what I did the past couple times. I really want to see us, like, displace down. Because, I mean, otherwise, I'm just going to stop the break even, but... Especially, I want to see this 1 minute candle close bearish. So, like, what, 10 seconds till this candle close? I want to see it come down. It's probably going to stop me at break even here. I mean, it gave you the false push down. Yo, this really is a nail biter. It's a crazy trade. We're breaking a little bit of structure on the 1 minute. I mean, like, we're finally kind of like coming down. I want to see us continue down here. I mean, don't come up, Nasdaq. He said, "Yo, Tim, how are you, man? I'm already done for the day. Took the inverse earlier and made 300 on 4 accounts. Hey, that's what's up, bro. I'm happy for you. I'm chilling. I'm low-key kind of tilted. I was up almost 3R on this trade. And I wanted... There's like a wickless daily candle I'm targeting down here. I just wanted to full TP down there. And it looks like I just round-tripped 3R. Because I'm probably about to get stopped at break even right here. I mean, at least I got a good draw. I was on to something here. You said I thought you... Honestly, lately, I've been going for higher RR trades. And, like, me personally, like, on the daily, like, there's a wickless daily candle. I feel like if there's, like, a higher time frame draw I really like, sometimes I'll kind of hold toward there, if that makes sense. So I figured, like, you know what? I could have sold at these lows down here, but I just like the higher time frame draw. So I went break even at them. And in hindsight, I mean, I could have partialed, but the reason I didn't partial at these lows was I'm on an eval that I feel like it's got let's say 2 weeks left before rebuild. I've got one trade. If I were to lose this trade, I'd blow the accounts. The evals I'm on right now. I mean, I was up like, it wasn't almost, it was like what, 3, it was like 2.75 R, but like, I feel like the thing is, I wanted to hold for the obvious draw. Now, I normally would have, if I was like on a funded account, I would have partialed, but just chopping right next to my entry. I'm genuinely surprised I didn't get stopped at break even before. I mean, I still could. Don't get me. It's never too late for that, but This really is crazy. Like it came really close to my take profit. It comes all the way back up, and now it's like just hanging out next to my Well, actually, that's not even the full story because I entered here, right? We came really close to the break even point. We came back up to my entry to chop at my entry. We then came down, edge of the break even point again, chopped. We actually took the break even point. So now we're like 20 or 30 points away from the obvious higher time frame draw. We come all the way back up to edge my break even by like 4 points. And now we're starting to come back down again. When we do have all this LR below. You said I didn't even see the Trump thing earlier. Yeah, I was realizing the candles were going crazy. I wasn't sure what it was at first. I just saw the candles moving fast, and I was like, whoa, whoa. You said it's lunch. What do you think about this trade? What, the trade I'm in? I mean, I'm just letting it go to my take profit or stop loss. I mean, I'm just kind of hanging out, I guess. But I mean, I won't take any entries during lunch hour. But like, I'll let my trade I took before like ride. This thing's probably gonna stop me at break even, unfortunately. I hope we get some profits. Appreciate that, bro. I mean, I probably won't, but we'll see. You said, did you see the video? Patty shorted all-time high and got out in like 30 seconds. Nah, I haven't doom scrolled on my Instagram yet. I usually pay attention to what trades everyone takes. Yo, why is Top Step TV posting like RIP Jerome Powell? I mean, obviously, like, I know he's like like, it's not like he's dead, but No, now we're edging my break-even point by a couple ticks. To top 7 playing with us. I mean, yeah. Yo. I'm still in on all 3 accounts. Nasdaq, what is today? And maybe it'll stop me at break even here, but no, I don't have any Lucid accounts. I tried to be an affiliate with Lucid, but they denied me 2 times. And I actually contacted their support, and they told me they still didn't want to help me. So I don't know. I feel like it kind of pisses me off the company, if that makes sense. And they also told me they wouldn't give me a reason why they denied me as affiliate. And they also told me the decision was final. Which is cool. I mean, I'm pretty scared of. I know, like you guys heard like the payout denials, like Lucid. Like I feel like it's funny Lucid like to advertise like they have like 0% payout denials, but like I know like you guys know Turbo, like he had a bunch of people signal botting him, and he got like a 10K payout, like on the flex count you can get like a 2K payout across 5 accounts. They denied like his 10K payout for like copy trading, which I know like copy trading is like technically against the rules, but I feel like everyone does it. Like how are you gonna say that you know all these people to the same trade? So I saw like I know they were denying those payouts, and I feel like I'd be like sussed out because like I'd be live streaming and people copy me. So like I don't want to be in the same situation with Lucid. I feel like maybe if I was an affiliate, I might have a little more confidence. But they won't even approve me as an affiliate. And honestly, maybe that's why they deny me as affiliate. Because they know they're going to deny my payouts, if you know what I mean. Because people are going to copy me. I don't know. I feel like Turbo's more popular on like TikTok, but so I have 3 accounts from Lucid. Hey, that's what's up. I'm probably going to stop the break even here. It's in there. I mean, Tradeify is not bad. I feel like they're all kind of the same. I mean, as long as they pay out. I mean, they have accounts with daily payouts, which is cool. You said, why don't you just skip for the day? All draws got picking out. I don't know what picking means. I mean, I taken out, but I mean, there's a pretty obvious draw. I mean, I don't know if you know how to read draw on liquidities, but like so there's like a daily candle with no wick on the bottom. So like that's a pretty good draw. So I'd say that there's still a draw there at least. So what's the? I mean, just the payout cap. I mean, I guess. I mean, like for the daily payouts on Tradeify, for the 50K, you can't get more than a 1K payout at once. And like in between payouts, you gotta make some profit. So like you can't just like run the account up to 10K, if you know what I mean, and just keep taking like 1K every day. But and besides that, I mean, there's 40% consistency on the eval. I low-key just want to get stopped to break even so I can go about my day. I think this actually might be one of the craziest trades I've taken in my whole trading career, honestly. Like, between the edging my TP, edging my, like, break even. I mean, this current 1 minute candle, I kind of don't want to see it come back up bullish. I kind of want to see it follow through, but like I said before, though, I feel like it's like every time we get a push down, it just gets bought back up every time. You know, maybe if I hold this trade for long enough, it'll be PM session, and PM session will give me a good delivery. What am I going to eat for lunch today? I'll probably eat lunch after I go to the gym. This is a random question. If you guys go to the gym in like the afternoon, do you eat before or after the gym? Like, I think the healthy answer is to eat after the gym because you should work out with a full stomach. I don't think it's good for your digestion or whatever. But like, I have one friend actually that I went to the gym with him and he was like, "Oh, I can't go to the gym on an empty stomach." And like, I get you need fuel and all, but like, you're gonna really eat like a whole fucking ass lunch before you hit the gym. Like, I don't know, if I feel like I work myself too hard, I'd yak. I'll think about whatever's calling my name when I finish up my workout. You said I eat both before and after gym, but I bet if you're doing that though, you probably have a light snack before the gym, not like a whole meal, I bet. You said I go to the gym at like 1 p.m., so I eat before. Then I. So you have dinner when you get back? So you go to the gym at 1 p.m. When do you eat dinner, bro? How long are you at the gym for? I wonder what's the longest YouTube stream I've done though. I wonder if this is the longest YouTube stream I've done. I know I've definitely streamed until noon before. Past noon though, I don't remember how long I've gone past noon. Like record at least I should say. Oh, you said I'm in UK. No, you're good. I want to see this 1 minute candle close bearish. I should get back from the gym at like 2:33. That's what's up. Well, I guess, I mean, we're halfway to PM. PM session starts at 1 p.m., I'm pretty sure. So we're halfway through lunch hour. I'm low-key about to go. I'm going to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Should I walk away more frequently? You said edging on both sides. Facts, though, dude. Like, it literally... Genuinely one of the craziest trades I think I've taken. You know, even if my AI can't clip this for me, I mean, I'm probably going to clip this myself, honestly. It's going to take me a minute, though. I just hate, like, dude... Like, if I put a lot of effort into, like, a short-form, like, video like this, like, it just takes a lot more effort than you'd expect. Like, I take the whole stream recording, I gotta find where I entered, then I gotta, like, cut it, and I gotta fast forward to, like, when I speak, like, and I gotta figure out what do I want to include, if you know what I mean. And, like, it takes time to render it, if you know what I mean. And, like, it's also annoying, too. Like, you guys know you gotta put it in, like, a vertical format. So I gotta edit it so my face and the face cam in the bottom right's, like, on top. And then I gotta make it so you can see the chart correctly. And it's also low-key kind of hard to format the chart, if you know what I mean. Like sometimes, I don't know, like I won't have the P&L showing, if you know what I mean, or like, it low-key might be a little hard to even clip this one, because too, I keep moving it, if you know what I mean, like I'm switching time frames, I'm like moving the way the chart's positioned, but we'll see. Yo, imagine if this thing stopped me at break even though, and then it went to my TP, I actually like, I might be mentally unwell at that point. Yeah, you guys know Vizid. He's a regular in here. I know he left and he came back and was like, bro, I'm going to come back later. And if you better not still be in this trade. Imagine if he comes back and he still sees me in this trade. He's going to be disappointed in me. He's going to be like, dude, it's 1 p.m. Go live your life. Dude, I fucking earn... If this thing hits, though, I fucking earn this shit, dude. I, from the bottom of my heart, earn this shit, dude. No way this shit's about to hit. I'm actually in disbelief that we're getting displacement toward my target. Like, I thought it wasn't possible anymore. Well, 850. I'm almost up 2R again. Statistically, though, I got fucking lucky. No way, dude. I don't know if you guys hear me talk about before. If I had the... Yeah, you remember I was saying there's no day I want to go out and approach a girl? Like, honestly, if this trade hits my TP, I might feel like I'm on top of the world. I really might have the balls to cold approach a girl today if this hits. I know it sounds like being a dumbass, but I feel like if this hits, I'm gonna be so full of energy. So what is this? I have no idea what the fuck this price action is, honestly, dude. Come on, don't edge me again. Damn. You said there was an FVG? Come on, go down. We have a daily candle with no wick. I'm tunnel visioned on this wick. This wickless candle. There's no wick. Oh, I love that 1 minute candle close. Come on, follow through on that shit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really feel I don't have the urge to bite my nails very often. I feel like it's only when I'm in like a trade like this. Like I in my life I never bite my nails, dude. Like I'm not even sure how to do it correctly. I feel like just watching this is making me stressed. Oh, can you go down, Nasdaq? You said you could have had 3 trades. Honestly, facts, dude. Such a crazy range. I feel like we were getting good displacement. Okay, we're getting a little bit of displacement again, but like I'm seeing like we're moving toward my draw on liquidity now at least. I want to see this 1 minute candle close good, but it's not a bad close. Ugh. Yo, low key though, I'd be racking in these YouTube views today. I'm sure I got mad people coming in and out of the stream. Yo guys, hit the like button if you don't mind. I do appreciate it. It does help me out a lot. Why does Tradecopia tag me when they tweet? I don't give a fuck if Tradecopia is tweeting. I'm gonna turn off announcements for that. Mute channel until I turn it back on. Do not need to know about that shit. Yeah, I feel like I am pretty good at talking my head off, but I'm low-key run out. Oh, you know, I gotta get that thing out of Nightbot. It said I'm live trading gold. I'm not live trading gold. That's a lie. There's no shot in hell I'm gonna have the energy, especially tonight, to go live on TikTok. I say especially tonight because, dude, this trade, I don't know. I know I'm just watching it. Like, it's either going to stop me at break. It's an eval. It's either going to stop me at break even or hit TP, but I don't know why. This is low-key, like, taking a lot out of me watching this. And I'm going to hit the gym after this. Maybe talk to a girl. Probably not. I feel like ES is moving a little more bearish right now, honestly. Hopefully ES will bring us down on NQ. That's an acceptable close. I mean, I want to see us just dump through this. I know it's lunch hour and all, but like, goddamn. Yo, that's such a bad close. These 1 minute candles just last second, they just fly up all the time. I know it wants this wickless daily candle. I have confidence. I want to see it dump through all these lows now, because it keeps failing to take out these like lows here. Like on NQ at least. I know ES is about to take out the low that like already got taken at NQ as my break-even point. Huh. So I'm up like 2R right now. I need like a little over 3R. Oh, I think, dude, my Alpha Futures review video must have gotten posted like a whole fucking hour, not hour, but like 45 minutes ago. I gotta put the pinned comment in that. It's not too much for a rush. Yo, can this thing dump right now? Looks like ES is starting to dump. I mean, ES is pretty close to like this low, like externally. Not externally, but like, you know the low I went break even on NQ? ES is like really close to taking it. So hopefully that'll pull us lower, but... And if you guys are new here, I do live trade Monday through Friday at 9:30 AM Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube. So definitely pull up again if you guys like the stream. I know today we're not getting the best delivery. Yo, there's I genuinely think trading is like trying to get to me. How are we gonna deliver down like that towards a draw like this and just not move that way? I want to see this 1 minute candle flip, but this price action generally makes no sense. I'm literally on stream like an extra like 2 hours today. I'm usually never live this late. I like how ES too, like, dude, what is this thing with edge? That's not English. Edging all these lows. Like, ES failed to take out this low. Like, why would ES make relative equal lows? Like, it just doesn't make sense. Like, why would it fail to take out that low? I mean, I think it heard me talking. Because ES is dumping right now, and NQ is following suit. And maybe we just tap into some like higher time frame gap in here, but like we're tapping into like a 2 minute gap, a 3 minute gap, 4 minute, 5 minute as well. I need this 5 minute gap to hold pretty much. It's looking like it's starting to hold right now, but oh, this trade's crazy. So hopefully NQ can actually move down instead of just wicking down like it keeps doing. You know, false push down. I feel like we've gotten a million false push moves down. Like I said before, right? False push down. Even though we have a very clear draw below that should be getting hit. Makes no sense. We even started displacing toward the draw after edging my break even. That gave me so much hope. We made relative equal lows with ES that should get hit. Yo, I genuinely... Yo, what is this? Is that news or something? Or am I about to... I'm still in on all three accounts, it looks like. I don't know what the fuck that was. There's definitely some volume coming in, though. Things are getting a little more exciting. I really want to see this thing close really bearish. Like this current 1 minute. That's a pretty bearish close, honestly. I'll take it. Hopefully we just deliver straight down to my draw. That'll make me a happy camper. Does anyone even know what that was? If this thing still stops me out of break even after that candle, that'll be diabolical. Yo, this price action is price action that, like, I think it's funny too. Like, I feel like I got a little emotional on Monday, and I was like, "Oh, I want to not be emotional." It's like this is like literally like my worst nightmare. I feel like playing out in front of me. This is actually my worst nightmare though. Like we have a clear higher time frame draw. We came really close to hitting it, right? We even gave me hope. I was like, "Oh, I'm not gonna get stopped to break even." We edged my break even. I was up 2R again. Like, and we even made relative equal lows with ES. That's another reason we should go down. We're in bearish order flow, higher time frame. I mean. Like, and if you think about it too, like imagine we wick up like that and we have such a bearish close and like we don't even follow through on it. Like what the fuck, dude? Ugh. I'm not gonna lie, I usually do a recap at the end of my recordings. I'm not gonna do a recap because I'm really not in the mood. Like, I just round trip this trade, and there's literally no reason why there should have been a round trip. Like, this draw should have gotten hit. I would have partialed if I wasn't on eval that only had one trade of breathing room left. Like, that's fucking insane, dude. I'm off for today, honestly. But I mean, if you guys are new here, I do live trade Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube. So definitely subscribe, hit that like button, come by another time. I mean, honestly, I think there was just shit price action today, but I appreciate all you guys stopping by, hanging out with me, trading with me. Join my free Discord in that pinned comment if you're not in there already. But I hope all you guys had an amazing rest of your day. Peace out.